hey, hey, hey! Come sing with me. Happy H animals, 1, 2, 3.
That's that.
Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning letter H is super neat. H is for horse, clip-clop-clop. Running fast, never stop. H is for hen, cluck-cluck-cluck. Flapping wings, what good luck. Hey, hey, shout hooray! Horse and hen come out to play. Hey, hey, sing with glee. Learning letters happily. H is for hippo, big and round. Splashing water all around. H is for hamster, small and sweet. Running fast on tiny feet. Hey, hey, clap and cheer. Hippo and hamster dancing here. Hey, hey, fun all day. Learning letters the joyful way. H is for hedgehog, roll up tight. Tiny spikes, what a sight. H is for hawk, flying high. Gliding softly in the sky. H is for hummingbird, zip, zip, zoom. Hovering near a bright red bloom. H is for husky, howl so loud. Running happy and proud. Hey, hey, let's sing and say 10 H animals learn today. Hey, hey, smart and brave. Learning letters, fun